How to install Snapchat in laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can go ahead and download and install Snapchat on your laptop. So first thing you can do is you can go ahead, open web.snapchat.com, log into your account, and then tap on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on create desktop shortcut. Now tap on install and you will no longer have to go to web.snapchat.com. You can simply go ahead and tap on the Snapchat icon on laptop and then you can access your Snapchat application. Another thing you can do is you can use the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open your Microsoft Store on your device. Tap on the search icon in the top of the screen and then search for a Snapchat application. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on this get option, which is highlighted in blue color, and simply download it on your device and you will be able to use a lot of features of Snapchat. You can also download an emulator like BlueStacks or Norx Player. Install the BlueStacks on your computer or your laptop and then install Snapchat on your device through Play Store. And then you can go ahead and search for Snapchat over there and download and install it on your emulator and start using it. If you use Snapchat Web, it has limited features. You can chat, send snaps, and view your stories, but keep in mind that webcam and other camera features may not be fully available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.